Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to change WhatsApp font style. So let's head over to our WhatsApp application for that. Once in there, head over to any conversation. Now you will just write any text. Let's say I'm writing hi there. Now select. Now keep tapped on the writing. And here you will find several options. Tap on the three dots and now select the built-in symbols, like you can try italic, strike through, monospace. So I'm gonna use italic, and it's italic now. You can also use bold to make it bold, and there you can also use the strike through option in here. So yeah, these are the built-in options you can try in WhatsApp. And the other thing you can do is try installing, go to your Play Store, and here tap on the search bar option and search for stylish text app. So here you will find the option of stylish fonts in here, or stylish text. So you can download it and use it through the plugin in your WhatsApp. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.